Hey guys, doing a video on my 2005 Toyota Matrix. So yesterday I went to the store, I came home, I tried to start it a little bit later. All the lights on the dash came on, battery was good, everything, but it just wouldn't turn over. So, just would not turn over. So, really long, drawn out videos telling you to check the starter relay that's in there. It's purple. Check the fuses, pull this apart, pull that apart. Just videos that kind of went to the last fix. The first fix that I would do would be to come over to the engine. The starter is right underneath these two right here. You just kind of come over, give it a couple good taps. I'm using a little hammer and give it a tap with the metal and come back and see if it starts. If it does start, that's pretty good indication that your starter's going bad. So after I did that, started right up. It's not a permanent fix, but at least it'll get you home if you're stuck in a parking lot or something. And it'll get you home faster than having to pull fuses and reach under the dash and try to pull the starter relay out, or go spend 30 bucks for another one and it do the same thing. So I would go straight to step number one, and that is just give that starter a tap a few times, see if that frees it up. Thanks guys.